What is up, y'all? Homie back again with another banger video. I want to appreciate all y'all for watching. So I thought of this interesting idea of calculating how much I spent on my car and mods. And you know, I did a lot of mods to this car, mostly cosmetic mods. I know everyone has different definitions of mods. Some people are like, yeah, mods are strictly performance, and some other people like to consider both performance and cosmetic into mods. So for my cars, mostly cosmetic mods. There's like no performance mods at all. I think I just really like the stock power. Plus I'm under warranty, bumper to bumper warranty. So once that ends, I'll probably start doing more performance mods to it. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see how much the damage is. I'm probably gonna cry, and you know, when I find out how much I spend. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, before I get started, I mean, I think I'm gonna spend a lot of money, but a lot of people are gonna be saying, man, your car still looks stock, still looks subtle. I like to go for the more subtle mods. I don't wanna be over the top flashy. Maybe in another year I'll do that. I'll go with the over the top wrap. But so far, I still like the stock look, you know, with the little subtle details here and there. So, I mean, that's just me. Let me know what y'all think. And yeah, I can't wait to see how much I spend. So I definitely know I spent a good amount of money because I brought my handy dandy phone as a calculator. And yeah, let's go ahead and start from front to back and then outside to inside. With the front, not really much going on except for the LED headlights there. I think I spent about 50 bucks. Exito LED were able to send me a nice free pair as well. So I mean, a total I spent out of my pocket is 50 bucks, but I got another pair as a replacement just in case if these burn out. But I mean, total 50 bucks spent for the headlights. Coming to the side, of course, the nice wheels there. I got the 5-spoke Hellcat wheels. These are the actually replicas because these are 20 by 9.5 and 20 by 11 in the back, with 2 75 tires in the front and 3 15 tires in the back. I actually spent 800 bucks for this, if you can believe it or not, and that includes wheels and tires. It was, you know, from Facebook Marketplace, so not too bad so far. Got the 392 sticker right there is a little overlay sticker, orange, and I think that was about $13. And then I got my Tints Mandatory Mod. I got 5% in the rear windows, including the rear windshield, and I got 20% in the front. I wish I did 5% all the way around, and I wish I got ceramic. But you know, once again, I don't drive it too much, so I don't think ceramic would have been that, I guess, mandatory. But in the total for that, I spent $170. So I got this tint at Elite Tint Window Detailing. So if you're in the Harrisburg area, definitely go get your tints there. And of course, I got my little Rich Homie Cow sticker, and I'm gonna count my little sticker overlays just to see how much I spent overall. So that was 7 bucks for that. And I got my SRT orange reflective decal. I love this so much. It definitely adds some personality to the car, makes it nice and, like, you know, flashy and not like over the top. I like it a little subtle like this, and that was about 80 bucks. So total so far about $1,100, which is crazy. All right, so going to the back, nothing too much. You know, I got the diffuser. That was, I believe, 120 bucks. And then you get the carbon exhaust tips. I got those used actually. They usually go for $230, but I got these for $200 used, lightly used, which is good. and I got the Dodge reflective lettering. It was supposed to be black, so I could, you know, not have to debadge this, but it looks like it has faded quite a bit and it's not as dark as I wanted it to be. So what I might do is I might either do these orange or just do straight up gloss black so I can just hide the chrome Dodge lettering. But I believe that was 12 bucks. And yeah, I said I was counting every mod or everything I purchased for this vehicle. Definitely mandatory to avoid doing car washes a lot is having a car cover. That was 80 bucks, and you know, definitely mandatory to keep the car, you know, nice and at least, you know, not as dirty. Another thing that I purchased for this car, if you see in there, that is actually the Nova Stretch bra shield. I just kept it in there. I'll probably show a picture of what that looks like on the car, but that is definitely mandatory for, you know, keeping the car free of bug guts or rock chips when you're doing long distance travel. I got that from a friend for about 50 bucks, which was good. They usually go for pretty expensive on, you know, Amazon, eBay, for around like 110, 120. So I'm definitely glad I got that deal. Other than that, I think that's all I bought. Oh yeah, recently I bought the Jlt Rock Guards there. That was 80 bucks. And that's definitely mandatory for with the wide wheels to make sure that you don't get any rock chips, you know, along here, and especially along here. And you see how wide these tires are? And you see the rock guards. The rock guards, you know, still can't contain the tires all the way 100%. But I mean, this definitely helps. And oh yeah, I got the LED side markers, which is definitely a great addition. I've got those from eBay for about $46. So here's the running total so far, $17.08. Not too bad. And to be honest, I think that is all for the exterior. So like I said, not too much. Some of my plans that I want to do is definitely get the hood, the roof, and the trunk wrapped. Either an orange just to match that, or forged carbon fiber. Let me know what y'all think. I've seen the forged carbon fiber in some cars and it's so nice, especially in the sunlight. You get that nice icy type look, and I think it'll definitely stand out, and you know, wouldn't look as corny as, you know, having straight up orange. So let me know what y'all think. Either orange on the, you know, wrap or forged carbon fiber. I was also thinking about doing the wheels orange, like, you know, either powder coating them, but I do like the brass monkey, so I might get them wrapped. I know it won't last a while. It might be, you know, it might last like 6 months or something, but it'll be cool to get the orange wheels just to match the sticker. But if I wanted to do something subtle, I might do the brakes. I might do those orange because, see, the brakes have faded, and I tried my best to like clean or scrub them out, use brake cleaner, but I think it's just that it's faded. I haven't seen that on like the Dodge OEM red brakes, but I've seen that on a lot of Dodge OEM black or, you know, charcoal type color brakes that people are complaining about. They said that, you know, it has been fading on them, so that might be another thing to get on my to-do list. But yeah, that was the exterior. Let's go ahead and get into the engine. Engine looking a little bit dusty. It needs to be clean, especially with all the pollen and stuff you see there. But the only thing I spent under the hood is just this oil cash can. That was about 130 bucks, which is definitely a necessary mod, especially, you know, right out the gate, brand new. Oil cash cans is good. You got this little carbon fiber piece just to cover this. It was just a big gaping hole here, so it was pretty nice. It is a little bit, you know, has all the water spots on it, which I would need to clean up. It's not real carbon fiber, so yeah, that was 20 bucks. I want to get the carbon fiber coolant tank cover just because this is starting to get yellowed a little bit. Of course, all Dodges do get yellow just from being exposed to the elements, so I'll get that covered. But other than that, I mean, no performance mod. So once my warranty ends, I'll do full bolt-ons. I'll probably do a Momentum GT cold air intake. I'll probably do the boiler attack catback exhaust, and I might get the Kooks long tube headers and just make this thing scream and, you know, perform a little bit better. These are pretty optimized from factory, so I won't get a lot of power gains like if I were to do the same mod, so like a, you know, Coyote engine. But I mean, yeah, next steps to, you know, get this the way I wanted. And oh yeah, another mod that I forgot to mention is the Underglow. Did spend $80 on the labor for it, so but the Underglow is actually, you know, $80 from Amazon. It is a chasing effect, which looks cool. I'll definitely post some videos of it since it's, you know, super bright out and you can't see it fully. But I mean, that is definitely a mod that I love, and of course, you know, I'm a racer at heart, so, you know, I gotta definitely do that. But yeah, I believe those are all the mods for the engine and the exterior, and let's go ahead and get into the interior. All right, so first off, you see the Scat pack door sill covers. I actually really like this mod because, you know, it just breaks up the bland black on black on black on black on black interior. And same thing with the rear doors. You have that there. This was 15 bucks on eBay. When I purchased it, I made a lowball offer. I think the guy was selling this for like 25 or 29 on eBay, and there was a make an offer button, and I lowballed him. This was his last in stock, I guess, and I said 15, and then, you know, he gave it to me. So pretty, you know, happy about that. This carbon fiber door trim cover here is about 35 bucks, and of course you have it on the 4 doors. And this is about $25, a cover fiber trim piece around the window switches. That was 25. And then you have this carbon fiber trim. It's a different design than here. I personally like this design a little bit better. It has a little 3D type look. But around this, you know, the headlight switch and interior switch, and then the trunk button, this was about 15 bucks. And then you have the carbon fiber trim around the steering wheel. So this piece, and this is about $25. And then you have the Scat pack, the actual like cover here, which covers up the Dodge lettering. This was a gift from Wide Body Scat 520, so shout out to him. You know, awesome dude. And this was about, you know, if you were to buy it on eBay, it's 40 bucks, which is expensive. So, and plus it's orange, and this was my first like orange piece, so this definitely started the theme of, you know, the orange decals and such. And then you got the carbon fiber trim piece here. This was 20 bucks. It looks really good, and, you know, definitely beats the matte black that we have there. And then these little trim pieces here I got from Wish. I still remember these because I made a video. This was like my second video I ever made with the Scat pack, and definitely brings me some memories, you know. So this is glow in the dark, and these are the trim pieces that goes, you know, everywhere. And here, even in the rear, there's some in the rear back there, and that definitely makes the, you know, interior an easier place to clean out, because if you have gunk here, you can just take it out, spray it, and it'll be good. So not too bad. 20 bucks. And then I have my car lock there. That is a device that is $50 on Amazon. Another thing that I spent is the LED lights. That was $17. Definitely a worthwhile mod because, you know, the bland yellow lights definitely cheapen the interior feel a little bit, so I'm glad I got that. And to be honest, I think that's about it. Other things I've gotten, of course, the dash cam that I just made a video on. That was, you know, 110 bucks, but or sorry, 120 bucks. And then my radar detector, I got that secondhand, or it was an open box, $250. So yeah, definitely spent a good amount of money. I think that's about it. I haven't, you know, spent anything else. If I'm forgetting anything, oh yeah. And then the actual lights here, the interior lights, that was awesome. Adds to the car ambiance, and that was, I believe, 80 bucks, and I installed it myself, so not too bad. And yeah, I believe those are all the mods that I did to my car. And I mean, you know, I try to keep it subtle and not too outlandish. So yeah, those are all the interior mods, exterior engine mods. So yeah, let's go ahead and calculate it. All right, so that was all the mods I put on this car. And like I said, mostly cosmetic mods because, you know, I want to make my car a nice place to be inside and, you know, look at. And I mean, this car is definitely fast enough where I don't have the need to put on all these mods, but you know, that's coming soon. And yeah, let me know what is the first performance mods I should do. I really want to purchase the Borla Attack exhaust, so yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. But yeah, y'all, so all together, total it up, my total was $2,800 or $2,811 to be exact. So not as much as I thought I spent on this, but of course the car doesn't look much different from stock. It just has wheels and, you know, some decals and such. But I mean, what I really want to do is, of course, more performance mods with the exhaust. I also want to do H&R or IBOC lowering springs just to stiffen up the, you know, the ride and corners a little bit more, and of course to lower the look and just make it look, you know, a little bit more aggressive. The front looks good with the wheels, but you know, there's some, I think I can stick like 3 or 4 fingers between the wheel gap of that, so that definitely needs to be improved. But yeah, y'all, more mods coming soon. I hope y'all liked that video. Yeah, 2,800 bucks, not too bad. Let me know how much y'all spent on your cars, because I mean, 2,800 bucks is not too bad. I mean, a person can get a wrap for, you know, more than that, so that's just one thing. So yeah, y'all, let me know what other mods I should do, and let me know in the comments how much y'all spent. So yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hope everyone had a happy 4th of July. This is Rich Homie Cal signing out.